Bonjour friends, and happy French Friday to you. Okay, so first I'll just apologize if you're hearing loud rain in the background. It is raining today. It's one of those dark, dreary days, so I apologize if the lighting is not the greatest either. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay friends, so we have these 3 project chairs here that Mr. Hubster found alongside the road. There was a gentleman outside that was throwing them away and putting them out to the curb. And so my Mr. Hubster stopped and asked if he could take them. And of course he said yes. He was just trying to get rid of them. And they're very dirty. It almost looks like they were sitting in a barn or something. So I have to clean these before I even get started painting on them. So we will give them a good scrubbing, good cleaning first. I did that off camera, so we are ready to get started painting here. And we're going to be using this Rust-Oleum chalked paint in linen white. So let's begin. Okay, friends, we are just going to paint and chit-chat here for a little bit. So I hope you don't mind, but I wanted to tell you that I was just so shocked that my husband actually picked these up, because normally he doesn't like to get things out of the trash. I'll like ask him to stop sometimes and he doesn't want to stop. I think he gets too embarrassed to buy it, but I think he's definitely gotten better over the years, because I've been painting furniture now for so long. Even before I was doing YouTube, I was doing furniture makeovers. So he's definitely, I have to give him some credit here. He's gotten better about that. And so I was really proud of him though for stopping and getting these for me. And I am going to be painting these just like I did. If you guys remember, a couple of weeks back, I painted 2 chairs and a little side table. So they sold so super fast as soon as I put them on Facebook Marketplace for sale. And so in fact, the lady bought the whole set together, the 2 chairs along with the side table. So I actually had more than one person wanting them, and I just went with the first person who had messaged me first, but I had several people wanting it. And so I thought I will just paint these the same, do the white again, because I think when you're painting things to resell, it's just really smart to keep the colors neutral so that it appeals to more buyers out there. And so since I'm doing the white, and I'll be doing, I'm going to do that black stencil again on here. I think it's still keeping it very neutral using the white and black. Although if I wanted to leave it even more neutral to appeal to more buyers, I could just not do that stencil on there, and that would be more neutral. But I really did like that stencil. I thought it turned out so pretty, so I want to do it again, and I think they will still sell really quickly. So I will be doing that French bee stencil along with the Paris, and then doing a fleur-de-lis on there as well, just like last time. And so yeah, I think it will look really nice, and since those other ones sold so quickly, maybe the other ladies who wanted those other chairs will get these. Although I have 3 of these this time. I wish there was a set of 4, so it would be more of that even number to maybe go around a table or something like that. But I still think that they will sell really well. And I could always sell them individually too if someone doesn't want that odd number of the 3 chairs. So we'll see what happens. Okay, friends, now it's time to get the stencil part of the chair done. And I'm going to be using this Sharpie paint marker in black. And I ended up having to put 2 coats of the white on the chairs, but I did the second coat off camera. And I'm just going to be doing this first stencil for you on camera. The other 2 chairs I'll do off camera because you saw me do the other chairs a couple weeks ago, so you know the process of what I'm doing here. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you might have. Okay, and here they are all finished. I'm really happy with how they turned out, and I hope that you are too. I am so glad that I was able to save these from going to the landfill. I hate that so much is wasted and thrown away and thrown out and discarded. I love giving new life to furniture pieces, so I love transforming them, and what a difference that paint can make in transforming a piece of furniture. And so, yeah, very happy and pleased with how these turned out. I ended up not distressing these chairs like I did the last ones, but let me know in the comments below if you think I should distress them or not. I wasn't sure if I should leave them or not, so let me know in the comments below. Thanks. All right, friends, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this Trash to Treasure makeover today. And I hope that you will all have a beautiful and blessed weekend, especially the mothers out there. I hope that you will have a happy Mother's Day weekend. And until next time, friends, au revoir.